from Healthy Heads in Trucks. How are you, Naomi?
Good, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yep, my pleasure. So tell us, you're here at CMAT here in Sydney at the Dome. Tell us about Healthy Heads in Trucks for those who don't know.
Yeah, so Healthy Heads in Trucks and Sheds is a registered not-for-profit that was set up by the industry in August 2020 in response to the really alarming state of mental health for truck drivers and people working in warehouses and distribution centres.
Yeah, really important stuff. What have you got? You've got the actual truck here or a bit of a bus. Tell us what's a bit of the experience for companies individuals I should say, to come and see.
Yeah, absolutely. So this truck we use at various events all over the country. So we can do about 30 events a year.
Yep.
And basically we go to BP service centres and warehouses and distribution centres
Yep.
to talk to people and raise awareness of mental health.
Yep.
So CMAT's been an awesome opportunity to get to some of the companies that may have heard of us but not really know exactly what they do. They might be sort of one step removed from the events that we're doing. So it's been awesome to interact with so many different companies.
Yeah. Well, I love how you guys are you're becoming more and more integrated with the industry itself, and people, as you say, they may not know, they've heard of it, but they probably don't fully understand it. So having you and the team here on site to speak to so many individuals, but also the company representatives who can really educate themselves how to support their drivers and people.
Absolutely, because it's such a massive industry and Healthy Heads is only 4 people. We're a 4-person not-for-profit. So we get around as much as we can. But yeah, this has been an awesome opportunity and we've had some really great conversations with many different people from companies that I didn't even know existed that still are part of the supply chain. So it's really important for us to get the message out to everyone that's involved in the sector.
Great. Well, congratulations on the work that you all do. It's just been amazing work, and I'm sure everyone who's coming through will really appreciate all the support you give them.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Naomi.
Thank you.
Ta.